Good morning, children. Today we'll be doing the third chapter, which is about formatting tools that are used for formatting a worksheet. So let's start. Okay. In this chapter, chapter 3, formatting a worksheet, we are going to learn how are the different font settings. I think I showed it to you in the previous class also. The alignment, how to align, and clipboard, copy, paste, all these things I've shown you. Okay. And let's start learning how to format. Now here, according to the uh, information that I wanted you to do is, before I start here, in the font styles, I would like you to enter marks of 10 students of 6 subjects and apply the following changes, like apply the font setting changes. That is, you have to change the font style to Arial, the color to blue, the text to bold, and borders, that is all borders. Okay, so I've already entered for the 10 students names, okay, 1 to 10, and I've written roll number, name of the student, first language, second language, English, maths, general science, social studies. Now if anything is not fitting, like I'm not getting the word clearly, just when it changes into a double-headed arrow, just drag it, press the left mouse button and drag it, and so the name fits into the column. Clear? See, whatever doesn't fit into it, it fits in. So I've entered 10 names, and according to it, change the font size to Arial. Right now it's Calibri. So if I want to change the font size to Arial, just select, drag with the left mouse button, drag all these things, and select here as you can type as a, or if you can see it, just change it to Arial. So I've changed it to Arial, and I want the everything center aligned. So I've also told you this, right now it's on right align, and I can make it center aligned, so all the things come in the middle. Also between the lines I can make it as center. Here I don't want the names in the center, I want them as left align. Just drag and select and left align. This is how you change the alignments. Then it's given that you need to make it in blue color. Let's not just select the blue color. We will select other colors. Let's say I'll drag the headings, okay? And then I'll put the headings in blue, okay? So bold, and I'm selecting, say, not so light, a little darker, maybe this blue. Then I want to put the roll numbers, select the roll numbers, and I want to put them in, say, red or maybe black. Black is better, and you can make it bold so that you can see it clearly. The names, I want them in, it depends your color, whatever you want to select. You change them according to the color that you like. Say I want it in maroon and bold. So this is how you change the colors. You can even fill in color for each column. So I want this column. Here there is fill color. If you put here, you'll get the tooltip called full fill color, where you can fill the column color. So since I've got this, I want the column color to be yellow. I want, select the next column, and I want this column color, say, to be light green. Okay, I want the language column to be, say, it's selecting, okay, font. So you can put the font color as whatever you want, because I've taken font. Instead of font, I'll take the color background, and then you can see what color you want to put. So, okay, this is how you put the colors. And the last thing says you need to put borders for it. So let's see how to put the borders. Select all of them, and here you have borders. So here only bottom borders there. When you click on this arrow, you find different types of borders. Border for the top, sometimes we forget to put it. All borders, so I've selected all borders. You want to make this highlighted, this only this line highlighted. you can just put a border, thick border around this. See, it's become a thick border. Okay, now you can change even the font size by selecting all. Say I don't want it on 11. I want it a little bigger, say 14, so that I can see and you can see too. You make it into a double-headed arrow for dragging and having place for each thing. Okay, this is how you do your formatting tools. This is how it works. Okay, not sorry. These two setting tools, they are called as. These are your setting tools. So anything else we missed? Alignment, I told you how to do the center align, left align. Text, clear, make it a bold, change the font color and make it into Arial. So these are the different techniques that we have applied on this. You make the other changes which you need to make, fill in the color for whatever. You even can change the font colors to whatever you like. Okay, so I'll stop there because I hope you understood what you need to do with the colors and okay. So borders, everything is being learned. Let's go to the next topic. Okay, we save it because I've already showed you how to save and we've saved it in the last class. Okay, further what we are going to apply the other types of setting tools. Here we are going to use, formatting tools. Here we are going to use the undo and they have shortcut keys to make it easier. For undo, it's Control Z. For redo, Control Y. And we'll be doing each one separately. So, and we will be applying the shortcut tools too. Cut is Control X, copy, Control C, paste, Control V, find, Control F, replace, Control H, open, Control O, new, Control N, save, Control S. Please learn all these control keys, which are your shortcut keys on the keyboard. Okay, the first thing that we're going to learn is the clipboard. The clipboard contains all these tools, the paste, cut, copy, format painter. This is the clipboard options, the options under the clipboard. So here they've given us an activity to do. Move the content of H3 to destination F9. So to do this, you select first H3. Then from the Home tab, in the clipboard option, you select the cut. And when you select cut, you find that the cell gets a dotted border. Then select the destination, that is F9, where you want to paste it. The shortcut key for paste is Control V. From the clipboard, it takes the information or the part that you've cut and paste it on the clipboard. Let's do the practicals. So it was H3 to F9. Okay, this is H3, right? You can see, sorry, this is H4. This is H3. You can see here, the name box gives you where you are. H3, here what you have to do, go to the Home tab. From the clipboard, select the cut. It gets cutted. It gets cut, sorry. And you get a dotted line and you have to paste it into F9. This is 9, right? And this is F. So F9 is here. You can see 9 is highlighted, F is here, and here you get F9. What do you need to do here? Just paste it. Either you click here from the Home tab or just say Control and V from your. So you can see that here in F9, 76, which was here, is being placed here. Did you understand? That is how you cut and paste. Again, we'll do it. When you say cut, 76, a dotted line comes around it. We have to paste it into F9. So here you say paste. So 62 changes to 76. Can you see? Okay, that's the first thing that you had to do. The next one is copy paste. He says copy paste means when you replicate any cell contents, like you have to replicate it many times, then what do? Now here I want to replicate from B2 to B11. I want to take all those information that is there from B2 to B11. From the Home tab, I'm going to use the copy option, which is Control plus C, and from the clipboard. And then that is the cell contents from B2 to B11 will be copied and they appear in dotted lines. Then select where you want to paste. Actually, don't appear in dotted lines. So where you want to paste and paste option. Let's do. So B here. I am selecting B. B2 to B11. So use the copy option, Control plus C, or from the clipboard copy. And then he said paste it where you want to paste it. So I want to paste it in I. So I click here and then say paste. Can you see the information is being copied? Shall we do it again? So here's what I want to see. The dotted lines have come when you say copy, sorry. So I am selecting this. I say copy and you find dotted lines. I want to paste it somewhere here. So I'll say paste, copy and paste. So it makes it replicates the whole things that are copied. Like a duplicate thing, it's copied twice. Did you understand this? Okay, let's go to the next thing, which is, so copy and paste is over. Redo and undo. So click on the undo option which comes in the toolbar, and when you click on this button next to it, how many ever things that you made changes, the last one or maybe the previous ones will be displayed there. And the shortcut key to undo is Control plus Z. Let's try it out. Right now I put this one. So here's your do and undo. Undo, and this is redo. You can see the tooltip. So this comes under this is called the quick access toolbar. So when I say undo, this information that I pasted will go away. So it's gone. And if I say redo, sometimes I feel something that I did was correct. And then if I say redo, it is pasted. So let's see another option here. When I click on the arrow, whatever in things that I did till now are shown here. And if I want to delete any of them, I can delete. So I want to delete this paste, format cell. I don't want the format cell. Then format cell. I don't want this one. I don't want the column width. I don't want all these things. Then you see what will happen if I do this. I want it from here. See, whatever changes I made before, it's come back to its original. See, the columns have become small. Can you see? So you can select that way. If you feel that what you did information before was correct, you can just change. Or again, you can undo whatever I have done. So when you undo, it keeps going backwards. So I don't want to do that one. So whatever you undo and redo. I hope you understood what is undo and what is redo. So redo will retrieve all the information that you had cancelled. So when you realize that what you had cancelled was actually the information that was correct in your, whatever work you were doing. So it reverses the action. And to do this, it is the shortcut key. I've given Control plus Z, and this would be Control plus Y, which I've not written here, but Control plus Y is for redo. And this is how the icon looks. Okay, let's go to the next. The next one is moving data by dragging and dropping. This is quite simple. You just select whatever you want the data, and with the mouse pointer, just move it to a new location. Let's try it out. So I want this 75. I'm selecting it. Okay, wait a minute. So select the cell containing the data to be moved. Point to the border surrounding the selection and drag it. So this is the border. Okay, fine. I'm saying escape so that these dotted lines don't come. I'm taking the 75. Say 70 I'll take. You can see there's a border. It means that is the active cell. Just see on the border, you can see like a star, 4 star like thing. Just drag it and place it there. Can you see how it is dragged in place? Shall we do another? Select the cell, put it on the line C. On the line, when it changes to this, just select it and drag it where you want. This is how the drag option works. What is the meaning of find and replace? Finding and replacing any item is, when you find, you mean you're searching for something. To find anything that is in the worksheet, we must use the find command. After finding the information, we can replace it in a new with a new information and using the replace command. So to do this, go to the home tab, click on find and replace, and then you get the edit tab. You can see how I put a picture here. Click on the home tab, click on find and replace. You have many options here, find, replace, go to, and many options. You are supposed to select the find and replace option, and then the find and replace box opens. Then type your text, what you're searching for, and click on find next, and then the word and the phrase will be highlighted. If you want to just move from it, you can press escape. So say, let's try this find and replace. Home tab, find and replace. So I'm clicking on the find option. So let me say I am searching for Sneha, Sneha. So what I'm going to do is find next, or find all. Even if you click on find all, you will find Sneha. So let's see, when I click on find all, what will happen. See, Sneha is highlighted here. Can you see there is a border for it, and it's also said here, Sneha is here. Did you understand what is find? Let's see another thing. Go to the find option. You can see, you will use this find and replace. The find and replace, this is what you want to replace it. So I said find Sneha. So Sneha's here. I am Sneha. I'm replacing Sneha with Snehalata. Snehala. Latha. What will happen? The Sneha name will be replaced. Okay. So I'm clicking on replace. Yeah. It's changed to Snehalata. You can change to any name. So that's what is find and replace. Let's try it again. Find and replace. So I'm clicking on replace. You know how to find. So Sneha, instead of Sneha, I'll say I'll take another name. I'll say Richa. And I want Richa to change to Supriya, say. So it has to search for Richa and Supriya. So replace. Okay. It's not found a match. So first let's do the find option. Say find. I'm searching for Richa and find next. Richa is found. And then I can go to the replace option here only in the find box. Can you see the replace option? And then I wanted to change to Supriya. Okay. So replace. So here, Richa is changed to Supriya. I hope you understood find and replace. So this is the replace option. It's almost the same. The shortcut key for it is Control plus H, and for find it is Control plus F. Okay. And the last thing that I would like to teach you is a spell check. If you have any spellings, what you need to do, select the range you want to check. If you want to check the entire worksheet, just click on any cell. Let's do entire worksheet. Click on the review and click on spellings option, which is in the proofing group. A message asks you, oh, do you want to confirm? Let's try it out. So let's go to any part of the cell and then go to review. Click on spellings. And do you want to continue at the beginning of this? Yes, say yes. And then you can see that social studies spelling is wrong. So you can change, replace it with this. Okay. Or if you say ignore, it will become a new. So just say change. Can you see social studies name is changed to a correct spelling? Okay. Then you can close it. Let's try something else. The spelling check is over. It shows an information. Let's make a wrong spelling and see whether it works out. And I'll say English spelling. I'll spell it wrong and I'll see whether it works out. ENLISH. Okay. And for maths, I'll say MOTHS. Let's see what happens. What is it? Go to the review option. From the review, select spellings and say, do you want to continue checking? Yes. You can see English is there and you can select the word and say change. So English gets to dictionary. Okay, this is how you change your spellings. Okay. Math. Let's see. This is if you want to add a new spelling. This is all what I've used. Order, please do it. There's a lab activity also. Try it on your computer. Okay, children. That's all for now. Stay safe, have a nice day, and do your homework. Thank you.